This is my Danscomp parts unboxing. Okay. Let's see what we got in here. Ow! Oh, what's he doing on the calendar? I already have one. Hello. Okay, small. It's not a calendar. Sweet. What? Okay, so look at this Danscomp Greatest Hits DVD. Just some garbage about what I bought and crap. And oh, some stickers. Ooh, stickers. Okay, now that is my G Sport hub guard. I had no idea what it was when I first opened it. Sweet. Made in USA, G Sport. Nice. Oh, that's light. Nice. My stolen seat in dark blue. And my, oh yeah. My stolen, class ring. Yeah, that's nice. It's pretty nice, actually, on sale. So, not very much stuff, but DVD was free, so that's pretty nice, actually, because I didn't order it. Cool. Cool. Alright, so that was my mini thing, and my bike is in parts over in that direction. And, so if you want me to do an upgrade on my bike with its new parts on it, I want at least 10 likes on this post. Alright, thank you.